Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Flinders University. So let's get started. So to log into your Flinders University, what you have to do is just open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Flinders University login. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option which is Flinders University, and from here you can log into your account. So what you can do is just scroll down, and here you can find this option which says hello, log into campus. Just tap on it. Now after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just simply enter your Flinders University's name. So you can enter your Flinders authentication name, and after entering that, just tap on next, and after tapping on next, you have to enter your account's password, and then you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your Flinders University name, what you can do is just simply tap on forgot your FAN, and after tapping on forgot your FAN, you can easily reset or recover your Flinders authentication name. So just do that, and after recovering it, just come back to this page and then enter it, and then tap on next, and then again enter and then in the next step you have to enter your password and then tap on login, and by doing that you will successfully log into your account. You can also unlock your account if it is locked. So by tapping on unlock account, enter your FAN. So after tapping on unlock your account, what you have to do is just enter your FAN, then your authentication name. After entering that, you will successfully unlock your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Flinders University. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks.